Today we're going to be diving into the incredible world of ADHD alchemy. I sped this video up for you just in case you have ADHD. Yep, we are talking about transforming chaos into clarity with meditation. Meditation can be an incredibly powerful tool to help you wrangle your thoughts and think on purpose. When that happens, it doesn't feel like your thoughts are happening to you. More importantly, this is going to help you dramatically shift the way you handle your ADHD symptoms. The main thing we want is control, and I'm going to show you how to reach that with some daily practice. All it takes is 15 to 30 minutes of your morning to set the tone for the day so your mind and body are in perfect alignment. You may have heard this before, but neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to rewire itself. What you see, what you experience, and how you feel now is not the final version of you. Using mindfulness and meditation, we're going to activate your brain's remodeling process. To start your ADHD alchemy journey, you want to start meditating within the first 15 minutes of waking up if possible. That is called theta state, which is your brain's natural dreamlike state. So instead of waking up entirely and then trying to settle your mind down, you're already tired. This makes it so much easier to transition into meditation without worrying about distractions. Your next step is to create a comfortable environment. Sit with your legs crossed, your hands in a meditation pose, and make sure that your back is up against a couch or a wall. Any similar posture is going to help you sit upright and relax while still remaining alert. I personally recommend using an eye mask or some type of wrap around your eyes to make sure that you're in complete darkness. This is going to help you maintain focus and prevent additional distractions. Your next step is to engage your energy centers. Focus your energy on your 7 chakras, imagining each chakra as its own ball of light. Red is at your feet, and purple or violet is above your head. This visualization will help you disconnect from intrusive thought and maintain focus in your meditation. Your goal is not to get rid of the thoughts you don't like. Your mission is to focus on the thoughts and emotions you do like. Contrary to popular belief, it is not about clearing your mind. Recognize these thoughts, but do not give your emotions to them. They're just words. Those thoughts can wait till later. Focus on your heartbeat. This connection helps you deepen your presence and awareness. Cultivate positive emotions like joy, peace, happiness. Regardless of what your brain says, remind yourself that you're allowed to feel these for no reason. And lastly, you want to pick a mantra. Mantra is a phrase that you can repeat that will help engage your attention. So, just 15 minutes a day isn't going to cure your ADHD, but you are going to feel more in control of it.